Okay, in number 4, they give us this table and they say that it shows a preference schedule, so basically the results of an election, but they wrote it in a different format. So notice down the side they listed out the names instead of putting them in first, second, third place order. So they did Anderson, Broderick, A, B, C, D, E, instead of putting first, second, third. And so what do they mean when they put these numbers in here? What they're saying is there's 14 people who put this person first. Get a better color. That put this person first. And there's 14 people who put this person second. Just writing a little STND here on the end of it, first, second. So they put this person third, this person fourth, this person fifth. So notice it probably makes less sense to have them in alphabetical order than to put them in first, second, third, fourth, fifth order. Makes it a lot easier too to see who won later. And so what they want is rewrite this in the conventional preference schedule. So the normal ones that we've been seeing that aren't in this awkward format. So the normal preference schedule, we want to put who'd they put as first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And then we know none of this will change the number of voters. So there's still 14 people who had a ballot that looked the same, and then 10 people who had a ballot that looked the same as each other, and then 8 people who had a ballot that looked the same, and then 7 of the same ballots, and then just 4 people had this last one. Okay, so it looks like these people put B first and A second. So we'll literally put B first and A second. It makes more sense to put the candidates in the table than the places. And then who'd they put third? It looks like E, C, C is fourth, and then they put D as fifth. And so this is all they mean is rewrite it in the normal way we have it looking like this. So let's see, the other 10 people put B first and then D. And then third, they put A, and fourth, they put E. So A and then E, which means they put D in fifth. And then the next, oh, do we already have D? Oops. Yeah, and then notice this process isn't super difficult maybe, but it's a little tedious, so the easy thing to do would be to make a mistake. So BDA fifth, they put C. So just stick with it carefully through all the, okay, so then this one they went A, B, E. Normally I'd probably do like this. I like to do a couple more at a time, and then fourth and fifth they put D, C. So the big thing to get out of this is that the numbers mean the places. So they put D first, so D, C, B for first, second, third. D, C, B. And then fourth, they put E and then A. And then last row, they went E, B, A. And then C, D for fourth and fifth. So here's what they wanted, a conventional preference schedule. And see how this way it's way easier instead of having to dig through like who got the most first. You can just look across the row and say, well, it looks like 24 people, these people and these people voted for B. So it's much easier to read. So that's why they do that as the standard preference schedule.